Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a granny square pattern, but it is offset granny square pattern. We start with the round and then we work only on the two sides to the desired size that we require, and then we finish off with round edging with granny stitches. So this particular piece I worked with my hobby store Aran anti-pill premium acrylic yarn, which is a 5-ply yarn, and I used 5.75 mm boy crochet hook. Before going into the video, I have a request. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. I shall go into the pattern video immediately. With color ray, either make a adjustable ring or chain 4 and form a ring by slip stitching into the first chain. Now either chain 3 to begin the first DC or pull up and make a double crochet. Two more double crochets. Chain 2, 3 double crochets, 2 more times. Chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets 3 times. So after the first set of 3 DCs, chain 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles 3 times. End of the round here, make a half double crochet on top of the third chain or the DC. So this half double crochet is considered to be 2 chain space. So chain 1 and make a double crochet or chain 3 and begin the first double crochet. 2 more double crochets. Sorry. Chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in the next chain 2 space. So continue the round. Continue and complete the round. I shall complete and get back. At the end of the round here, chain 1, slip stitch and join on top of the first DC or the third chain of the first 3 chains and fasten off this color. Should join. Yeah. Fasten off this color. I shall be back with the next color. So we began in the round. Now we are going to work from one side to the other side. So slip stitch and join color B yarn to any chain 2 space, you can begin with chain 3 or make a standing twisted double crochet. Two more double crochets in the same space. Oh. Three doubles in the next space between the two sets of 3 DCs. And this is the corner, so we're going to make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Again 3 doubles in the next space between the sets of 3 DCs, and in the corner place 3 double crochets. At the end of this row here, there's 2 sides, chain 3 and turn. Three DC in the space between the 2 sets of 3 DCs. Three DCs in the next space between the 2 sets of 3 DCs. And corner 3 DC, chain 2, 3 DC. Again 3 DC between these 2 sets, 3 DC between these 2 sets. Now we have come to the end. Place 1 DC on the last DC of the chain 3, third chain of chain 3, and place 1 HTC in the same space and fasten off this color. I shall be back with the next color. Join color C in the chain space here. We did 3 chains and we turned, and we ended over here without turning on this side. Join color C. So you may chain 3 or make a standing double. Henceforth, it is 3 doubles between these 3 doubles, 3 doubles between these 3 doubles. When you come to the corner, 3 doubles, chain 3, chain 2, 3 doubles. Again 3 doubles, 3 doubles, 3 doubles here, and I shall come, when I reach the end point, I shall tell you what to do. Now we've come to the end of this row here. So only in the corner we have placed 3 DC, chain 2, 3 DC, and else in all the other spaces we have placed 3 DCs. Now chain 3 and turn. So continue the same stitch pattern like you did for row 4. 3 DC, 3 DC, 3 DC, corner, 3 DC, chain 2, 3 DC, 3 DC, 3 DC, 3 DC, and 1 DC on the last stitch and HDC on the same space. So continue the stitch pattern. I shall meet you at the end. We've come to the end of this round 6 here. Now slip stitch, one double crochet on top of the 3 chains or on the DC. And fasten off this color. I shall be back with color D, and we begin in the same manner as we did with color C in this corner. So work 2 rows forward and backward with color D. Similarly work 2 rows with color E, and then I shall get back to you. The stitches are the same. You join the fresh yarn here, make 3 DC, 3 DC here, 3 DC here, 3 DC, corner, 3 DC, chain 2, 3 DC, again 3 DCs in each of these spaces, and you end with a 3 DC here, chain 3, and continue. Okay. I shall complete the 2 more colors sets with 2 more colors and get back to you. So I have completed the stitch pattern with 2 more colors. So you need to repeat the instructions for rows 5 and 6 as many times as you require to expand the size of your square. Now I am going to stop here and join the last color, and this we will be working in the round. Hence make sure that your right side is facing up. The indication is your first square, the corner square. So this should be placed on the right, and this is the right side. So this is the right side for your granny square. So join in any corner. You can join anywhere also, in any stitch here. So we can complete the corner and complete it over here. So I am not going to complete the 3 DCs here. I am going to come and complete my last DC in this, so that my joining is neater. Now place a double crochet or chain 3 and begin. Yeah. One more double crochet. So the third double crochet of this space we are going to come and complete it. Place one set of 3 double crochets in each space between the 3 double crochet sets of the last round. So continue till you reach the corner. In every corner you are going to place 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. So in the corner it is 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. 1 minute. And continue the side, complete every corner. You're going to place 3 doubles, chain to 3 doubles, 3 doubles, chain to 3 doubles, again 3 doubles, chain to 3 doubles, and you will end up with 1 DC here in the first space. We have done the incomplete work here. Okay, continue. I shall meet you when I get back to this particular spot. So I have completed the round with the granny stitches all around, and I have placed my last double crochet in that incomplete space, and I have slip stitch joined, and I shall fasten off and hide the yarn. So we complete the offset granny square. So with this method we can prepare multiple type of designs. So we can have stitches only going up to here, and then we return, and then again we work this side with another color, and we can play with it actually. Okay, so hope you like this stitch and this pattern, offset granny square pattern. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.